In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace step by step. By the end of this tutorial, your site will be fully set up to accept payments, making it easier to manage transactions and grow your online business. Let's get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you're new, have your username and password ready. If you already use Squarespace regularly, this should feel quick and simple. And don't worry, if you ever get stuck, there's always the option to reset your password or reach out to Squarespace support. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. From here, look for the Content and Memberships section. This area houses tools for managing subscriptions and content. Take a quick glance around so you're familiar with what's available. Next, click on the gear icon or Settings menu. Inside, you'll find Payment Options. This is where all your transaction settings live. Here, you can control how customers pay and how you receive payouts, so it's important to set this up carefully. Now comes the key step. Look for the option to connect with Stripe. Click on it, and Squarespace will guide you through the integration. Stripe is a powerful payment processor, and linking it with your site gives you scalable, secure payment handling. Squarespace will now walk you through a quick verification process. This usually means providing your business information and bank account details so you can receive payouts. Double check everything here. It's always better to have accurate info from the start to avoid future issues. Once verified, you'll be asked to log into Stripe, use your existing account if you already have one, or create a new account if you're just getting started. Logging in finalizes the setup, and from that point forward, your Squarespace site and Stripe will be seamlessly connected. And that's it. You've successfully connected Stripe to Squarespace. Your site is now ready to securely process payments and give your customers a smooth checkout experience. Congratulations on taking this big step toward building a professional and streamlined online presence. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy web building tips.